kitchen. Now today things are going to be done a little differently. I have the finished product for the most part, still being worked on, but I'm just trying to show you that today you can make something simple with the little scraps you have around the house. Right here, yeah, you see that steam, that sizzling? Yeah, just simmered some pork in there with a few different seasonings that I like to make myself. You can season it however you want to. I decided to use some brown sugar, some honey, some onion powder, some parsley, paprika, seasoning salt, oregano, and basil. Also a little bit of garlic powder. With just a bit of butter so that this can all simmer together. And now, going to the oven. That's just 5 potatoes sliced up. Melted some cream cheese down in a bowl of butter. Stirred it up until it got to a nice creamy consistency. Decided to, cover the top. Then cheese, and more cheese, and more cheese, and more cheese in a 90s film. Matter of fact, I need Spider-Man to come around and help me out with these references to movies. Where could he be?
I'm right here.
Where did you come from?
Hell.
You look like it.
What? It's my lazy day.
Yeah, I understand. It's not like I'm in full cosplay. People can't hear me in the mask apparently, so, don't need those captions because that's extra work. Now, we got this pork nice and simmered.
I wish I could see it.
Oh yeah. Thought that spider bite was supposed to fix your vision, boy.
That's just a vicious myth spread by Wild Toby Maguires.
I thought those were supposed to be locked up.
They were.
Why? 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 Tom Holland's best Spider-Man ever.
Toby's pretty bright.
Where's my portal gun? Oh my gosh, smell that. You can just smell. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
Because you guys are worth it, since I basically told you how to do this later on, let me know if this looks good enough for you to actually want it. And if it does, then you don't have to catch these mittens. Now look at that layer of cheese on the top. Notice how it shifts with every motion. Ah, it's nice and beautiful. Who wouldn't want some of that?
Looks cheesier than a Wesley Snipes movie from the 90s.
Okay, well, I know who I'm not inviting on the show again. Let me know if you like Spider-Man's commentary. He might narrate certain episodes or take over for, a day or a season. I don't know. Depends on how well this does. Oh,
Come on.
fuck you! I'm glad Blake kicked your ass.
Did not.
Did too.
Did not.
Did too.
He may have won that fight, but I won the war.
Oh yeah, how
War?
so?
Because I'm white.
Well, I own a country, Wakanda, so I will see you guys later.
Okay, but how many Black Panther comics have sold compared to Spider-Man comics?
You're gonna make me do this. You're really gonna make me do this.
I mean, I know Black Panther made like $1 billion or whatever. Whoop-de-doo, but...
You made me do this.
Also...
actually, are you?
A little bit.
Oh, sorry.
This
See?
is going to hell faster than me.
Yeah. After the show's over, I'm sending you back.
You're sending me back?
Yep.
Oh boy. Can't wait.
You know, I'm glad Mary Jane got cancer from your semen.
Not in this timeline.
Okay, but you're gonna sell your marriage just to save Aunt May.
Not in this timeline.
You know what? Screw you. Okay, people. Now that that's done, and this is nice and simmered. Ooh, it's caramelized on the bottom. Ooh, yes, that's beautiful. And it's non-stick. Oh, yes. You know what we need to do? We're gonna make a plate. Actually, no, I'm too lazy to make a plate. I'm gonna go to a dimension which the plate's already made. Beautiful. And all that work already done. We didn't time travel. Sticking true to the Rick and Morty policy, we don't time travel. Guys went to a dimension which I did it like 5 minutes earlier. Because I'm lazy. But tell me what you think. Let me know if you want me to go through the step-by-step for you. And thank you for being in the Cosplayers Kitchen.